Okay, let's try and make our own candle with this candle refill system. I'm not a DIY girl. I really am not. Okay, first of all, you get a candle glass and silicone clean out disc. The glass, the clean out disc, I guess you melted in here. Who really knows? I'm going to use the Santal and Atlas Cedar. Remove the wick from the refill kit. Okay, the wick is right here on top. Thread wick through the hole in the bottom of the seat of the silicone. Silicone, wick, boom, boom. Pour all wax beads from milk into the notes glass. All of them? That's too many beads, bro. Too many beads. For the notes team, we need gloves in here. And light the candle and enjoy. This is what it looks like. Should it be a 1/4 inch? Should we trim? It's enough DIY for me. For best results, burn for 4 hours. I don't have that much time. So I'm gonna let it burn, show you what it looks like, tell you what it smells like, and if I would do it again. Okay, so it's an hour or so later, and Houston, we have a problem. But I think it's like my fault. So we've reached a tunneling situation. I think it's because I didn't fill the wax up to the top. The fragrance smells good. It's a sandalwood, creamy sandalwood, very Santal. Love a dupe. This might be something, but like, not impressed with the tunneling. So I'm gonna try it again. Or let me know, should I try it again? Or is this too interactive?